In this video, we're going to talk about the Truma Combi system that uses gas and electric and how to control it from this panel here. Now, long story short, this will heat the inside of your caravan and motorhome as well as the hot water for your taps and your shower. So to use this, you go straight to the control panel here. Now, the eagle-eyed amongst you will have noticed that it is not, in fact, 1 minute to 1 in the morning. So to change that, you go down into the clock symbol here, and then we'll just go down through. Yeah, it's about that sort of time. And that's how you change your clock. Now, this will come into play later on when we run through how to use the timer. So we'll start off with the heating. And that is the symbol here, the little motorhome symbol. So we'll select that, press the button, and then we can simply turn the knob, and whatever temperature you require, just press the button. This one here is for your hot water. So we have off, we have eco, we have hot, and we have boost. Now, eco maintains it at a washing up friendly temperature, for example. Hot is good if it's just one of you showering. I tend to use boost if we're traveling as a family. If I'm lucky, I can get 2 showers out of boost. So there are the settings for hot water. Next one is power source. At the moment, it's set on gas because we haven't hooked up to an electric cable. But all you do with this, we have mix 1, which is gas and electric, 1 kilowatt electric, mix 2, 2 kilowatt electric and gas. Then we have electric 1, 1 kilowatt, electric 2, 2 kilowatt. And that is it. If you put it on mix 1 or 2, as the name suggests, it runs on a mixture of gas and electric, but it will prioritize the electric. So once it's up to temperature, it won't just keep sipping away at your gas, it will then switch back to electric. Now here we have the fan symbol. So we have eco and we have high. Now I'm not going to put it on high because the sound guy doesn't like that. So we'll leave it on eco, even though it's lovely for my feet on high. And then we have the timer setting here. So if you, say for example, you've set the heating at, I find 15 is quite nice at night. If you want it to come on at 7 in the morning until 8, you want the heating on. So we want, what's nice, 20 in the morning, eat your cornflakes. We want some hot water as well. So we put it on eco, select your power source, mix 1's fine, eco for the fan, and we turn it on. And that is your timer set. So from then on, each morning from 7 till 8, it will heat up at 20 degrees and you'll have some hot water as well. But mainly we have habitation, we have hot water, power source, your fan, and your timer. And that is the Truma Combi control panel.